What's up everyone? Welcome friends and fans. Within this video, 20 divided by 20 which equals 1 and 20 divided by 20 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 20 divided by 20 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 20 divided by 20, and we can write this part as 1 over 20 divided by 20. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 20 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 20 which equals 1 over 4 hundredths, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.